Bon, on va se PC sur l'épisode 7. On se rappelle la fin qui avait été assez triste. Avec le copain qui est parti en courant et qui vient de sacrifier sa vie. À mon avis, c'est foutu pour lui. Ah, j'ai un problème, ça commence mal. Là, on est bon. Pourquoi j'ai pas de son de jeu?
I'm too old to be crying.
Fuck off. No, you're not. I cry all
Ah,
the
les
time.
salauds.
Really? When?
When I was your age, I cried for weeks when the Raiders left LA.
Ah,
Yeah,
putain.
it's totally the fucking same as my dad never being home.
Whoa, motherfucker. Language. And it was the same. My pops had season tickets growing up. Seats sucked, but I just liked being there with them. So, yeah, when they moved, I was crying like a little bitch too.
Are you saying I'm crying like a bitch?
Yes, bitch. That's exactly what I'm saying. What do you want from the store? Your dad gave me 100 and I gotta break the shit anyway.
He pays you?
To be around your crying bitch ass? Fuck yeah, he pays me. Now, come on, whatever you want. Just make it less than $20, cause I'm not trying to go broke every time you get lonely.
Oh, bah ça doit être des
Can
Twinkies qui...
I get a Twinkie?
Hey, cause you're crying, you can have two.
They come in 2-packs.
No shit, kid. I was joking. Keep up. There, bitch. You happy now?
Whoa.
Yeah, whoa. Now you can be sad like 8 more times before bothering me.
I didn't realize you two were that close. That it went back that far.
He was like a big brother to me. I didn't appreciate it enough.
I'm sorry.
Chase would only babysit nights when Dad had to deal with something big. Working late, he called it. I was fine being alone, but I'd still ask to have him watch me because I could guilt trip him into buying me shit. He never said no. I made him run a lot back then.
Right. So maybe one less store run for bitch-ass Robert and he wouldn't be stuck in here. That's what you're saying, right?
I mean, it was, but now that you put it like that...
Hey, the only person that put Chase here. Pending the investigation, Invisigal suspended. Obviously, but... I think you should consider cutting her from the team. I'm not saying you should. I'm just saying you should consider it. It's 100% your call.
I'm worried something like that might just make things worse.
Yeah, it's just... I can't help but think that we've already cut a hero for far less.
We had to send a message.
That's kind of my point.
Just gets better and better.
Vending machine?
Whatever I want.
He's so fucking proud of the man you've become. He told me that.
Il est trompé ton truc.
You okay, bud?
It's just. I'm just mad.
Yeah. I'm a little mad too.
I can't. It's not fair. And Visigal was the one who'd. And then Chase shouldn't have. Do you think he did the right thing? I mean, I don't. It seems very not clear. Or unclear.
I think Chase knew he was the only one who could save her, and he knew the risk. So yeah, I think it was ultimately the right thing.
Yes.
Fuck.
Hmm.
Case in point.
Ok.
Feel better?
Kinda. I'll clean it up.
Hey, so you've all probably heard some version of what happened. Let's get to it. Main takeaways are that Invisigal has been suspended, so we're a person down this shift, and that Chase is in the infirmary. And he's in pretty rough shape. Despite his disposition, he really likes you all. Just don't tell him I told you that. I've found doing something good always helps when I'm feeling bad. We're fortunate to have that opportunity. Something Chase never took for granted. So, let's get to work.
Bah, allons travailler.
Hey, we've got a fuck ton of beached whales off the coast. Could really use some help getting them back in the ocean.
Ok. Traîne une douzaine de baleines de 25 tonnes dans l'océan. Déplacer le plus vite possible. Ok, donc de la force et de la vitesse. Ok, j'ai à quoi pour la vitesse? À quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait déjà? Ah, juste un truc négatif pour le moment. Après, peut-être qu'il peut m'aider si c'est un rapport avec de l'eau. Ou force, vitesse, ok. Donc je mets lui. L'eau et le feu. Alors attends. Ah ouais, ça me semble logique de prendre lui. Est-ce qu'il a des points à mettre? Où est-ce que je vois? 0. Ah, toi t'en as 2. Disons qu'on te met un combat tout de même parce que c'est ridicule à un moment. On va te mettre la mobilité. Et donc si je remets cette équipe là. J'ai envie de tenter juste les deux. Y a pas quelqu'un qui rapporte de l'XP en plus? Il y avait une histoire comme ça aussi. C'est qui fait ça? Ok. Soigner. Ok. Ah, sur une mission à moins de 4 emplacements, Corpus crée un emplacement excellent pour lui. Ok. On peut pas le blesser, donc c'est pas... Ah, merde, alors c'était qui? C'était une Visimeuf? Bon, j'ai envie de tenter que les deux. On va faire ça.
Thanks to the structural reinforcement, the damage to the resort
Renforcement
is
structurel,
not as
l'hôtel
bad as
suit
it
des
could have
dégâts
been.
limités. Ok. Faut de l'intel. Évacuer l'hôtel. Évaluer la solidité de la structure. Donc j'aurais bien dit toi
Sure.
et toi. Ah. Ça m'emmerde ça. Ah. Quoi, ils veulent pas y aller? Oh, ils vont commencer à m'emmerder déjà. Super. C'est pas relou les gars. Bon, allons voir là.
Upchuck's rugby team lost, and he's throwing a very toxic.
Une crise très toxique. Hein? Oh, merci. Profite de la pluie pour terroriser les civils. Il faut la force. Du coup... On dit Courpif. Et elle...
Huh? Oh, sure.
C'est quoi leur synergie? Ah. Un peu comme un con du coup. Bon bref, elle a des points à placer. Et donc, attends, juste vite fait, toi t'étais... Ouais. Il vous manque au duo tous les deux, donc c'est mort. Oh. Donc, disons qu'on vous envoie comme que vous deux. Le charisme, on est large. Et c'était quoi? Ouais, franchement, ça va passer. Hein. Juste à la limite prisme. C'est pas trop ton truc, mais est-ce que je te mettrais pas tout de même un en vigueur? Voilà. Et on vous balance. Ouais. Go.
Oh, shite. I
Et
know
là-bas.
this guy. He used to have more
Ah
hair.
ouais, lui, il a refusé ce con. Mais tu m'emmerdes!
I'll do what I can.
Évacuer l'hôtel par mesure de précaution et évaluer la solidité. Évaluer la solidité, on est bon large. Alors par contre, solidité de l'hôtel, cocotte, on te met un point. Et ton pouvoir à toi... On s'en fout. Ah, bien joué Golem, hein. Franchement, t'es le roi. C'est quoi ça encore? Voiture folle.
I think the rain caused one of those Volta Virtue cars to short out. I
Arrêtez la
think this
voiture.
driver's lost
Folle avant
control.
qu'elle ne cause un accident. Déplacer les civils qui se trouvent sur... Oh. Ah, c'est à moi de faire, ok. Ok. Oh shit, ça commence, il y a des éclairs. Oh! Ah, droite, bas. Ah, je sais pas c'est quoi. Oh, baba. Ok. Ok. Alors, gauche, droite, gauche. Gauche, droite, gauche. Ça doit aller. Gauche, droite, gauche. Ouais. On va pas s'emmerder, hein. On a des jolies tourelles. Ah, elle finit celle-ci. Quel con. Ça elle tire qu'une fois. Un peu lent. C'est pas grave. Ok, il m'a fait peur. Hein. Gauche, droite, droite, gauche. Ah mais non. Attends. Gauche, droite, droite, gauche. Mais j'ai pas eu besoin. Tu es bourré ou quoi? Bon. Ah, qu'est-ce qui se passe là-haut? Burks, sale-t-il, il gerbe de partout. Ah, l'autre il le connaît, incroyable. Je le connais, go.
Right. Definitely don't mention that part, but can you go talk to him?
Yeah, happy to. Wonder if he ever got around to adopting that dog.
Nickel. Bon, à voir si j'ai pas me foirer, envoyer juste peu de monde. Allez. Mais non, oh oui. Ok, bien joué les gars. Bon, il y avait rien à voir, il y avait... avec Aquaboy, c'est... On aurait pu se demander, mais... Oh, ce serait vraiment de la poisse. Ah. 100% alors que ça couvre pas tout, c'est étonnant. Ça me va.
Golem?
Oh là là. Mais Golem, tu m'emmerdes.
I think he's about to piss mud on the high school.
Yeah, you know, I saw him pulling over a beer truck earlier. I did think that was weird.
Come on, buddy. Spit it out.
A lot of vomiting this shift.
Golem, I get it. I want to get shit-faced right now more than anything, but we got a job to do, and I need all of you to just hang in there until the end of the shift. After
Allez,
that, you
courage
can
les
do what the fuck
gars.
you want.
On se reprend.
Cool.
Cool.
Can someone please go get Golem before he does more property damage?
Protéger Golem. Disons que toi tu vas y aller. Il faut calmer les civils. J'aurais bien dit toi. Ouais, on va faire ça. Juste on regarde. Ouais. Ok. Idéalement j'aurais bien envoyé elle. Protéger on est bon. Mais calmer on est moins bon. Et si je prends elle, vraiment ça va passer. Mais il voulait essayer de tenter de le soigner. Ah, idéalement, ok. Bon bah go. Hein. Au moins ils sont rapides à y aller. Pas de soucis. Alors.
So we've got a
Méchant,
super down here who
capable de
controls
contrôler les
bugs.
insectes.
Apparently they have beef with one of our farmers using pesticides. It's
Problème
getting
de
real biblical down here.
Ok. Neutraliser l'assaillante aux insectes. Protéger le paysan. Ah. Alors, il y a une histoire de protéger. Ça pourrait être toi. Il faut pas que j'arrive trop. D'accord. Courpif, on avait dit. Ça pourrait être Courpif et à quoi, hein?
If there's no one else.
Ah ouais, on va trop avec les deux là? Ah non. Attends. J'ai merdé les touches. Quoi? Courpif. On est bon, hein? On est bon. J'ai envie de tenter ça.
Hate the fucking rain. Flying's a bitch, you can't see shit. Ah, the streets turned into a goddamn slip and slide.
I fucking love slip and slides, bro.
I haven't seen it come down this bad in a while.
I like it. Feels right.
Ouf, j'ai bien fait de mettre
Fucking cool and evil boy.
prisme. Ok. Jusque là, ça va. J'espère qu'on va pas foirer là-haut. Magnifique. Jouez les gars. Yeah, de la synergie, c'est ça qu'on veut. Parce que j'ai pas beaucoup travaillé cette synergie.
Hey,
L'entre eux.
Found pissed off the wrong gang, and they're holding him hostage.
Ah.
Listen, I know he sucks, but he writes my checks. Can you please just rescue him?
C'est qui l'entre-dieu? Faut que tu aies de la force. Alors, sauver l'entre-dieu et ses employés des griffes des douzaines sanguinaires, une bande de méchants. C'est les barricades à la station de radio. Alors, il y a une histoire de sauver et de défoncer. Il y a toi. Ah, j'ai un peu embêté. Ah, on va regarder l'autre vite fait.
Hi, just calling to confirm one of your Z Team heroes for our interview this afternoon to discuss the Phoenix program.
Ah. Interview. Ça pourrait être toi. Ouais, carrément. On t'augmente ton charisme. Bon, tout de suite ton intel et puis tu y vas, mon grand. Hein. Faut pas te faire chier.
Hello. Is this thing working?
Shit. Sorry, Robbie. I zoned out there for a second.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Courage les enfants. Où est-on? Donc on disait on a envie d'envoyer Golem pour qu'il soit soigné. Si je fais Golem et Prisme, il va se faire soigner, c'est pas mal. Il faut sauver et enfoncer, on est bon. Allez les petits gars. Pourquoi t'es pas soigné? J'ai merdé? J'ai envoyé Prisme et pas elle.
Sonar, stick to the talking points.
Robert, I'm
Mon
literally
Gary,
a
mon Gary,
professional bullshitter. And that's how it's fucking done.
I'm running late to the airport. If I miss that flight, I'm fucking toast.
Oh là là, et... T'as besoin de rapidité? Ouais. Et toi... Ouais, bah non, j'ai pas de synergie. Elle est occupée. Pas prête de la voir. Toi, c'est la même. Toi, y'a pas le choix. Escorter. C'est peut-être pas que de la vitesse. Bah allez, on vous envoie tous les deux. Faites pas les cons. Entraînement, j'ai envie de tenter Aquaboy. Alors.
Okay, listen, we need to play it safe. I don't want anyone else getting hurt.
Le cercle rouge coordonne des attaques un peu partout à Torres. Le port est le prochain sur la liste, ok. 4 personnes. Chiant. On est mal barré là. Des espionnés pour déterminer leur intention. Discrétion. Ok, ça craint.
Now's our chance to get payback. For Chase.
Et là on fonce et on tape. Ok. Alors on est mal, hein. On est plus 3, la set la plus haute pour cette mission. Ok, pas mal. Aquaboy ne s'assène plus tout seul. Aquaboy soigne jusqu'à 2 héros envoyés avec lui. Ah. On va plutôt prendre ça pour qu'il soit plus fort. Yeah, super éponge impatiente. Oh yeah. C'est bien les copains. Je pense qu'on a envie de bourriner. J'espère qu'ils seront de retour à temps. Ok. Ouais, là tu vois, j'avais peut-être merdé. Lui suffisait. Hein. Bon, ils sont 3 d'être dispo déjà. tac. C'est pas mal. Allez, on envoie eux.
Fine, I'll fucking say it.
On y va en volant en plus, c'est nickel.
You don't shut your mouth. What are you on about, lad?
Holy shit, man, that's dark, dark.
That's, why? Even not talking
Courage,
about it
hein?
won't make it go away, okay? Fucking babies.
If he dies, he'll be taken care of. That I can promise.
Yes.
You know.
I just did. Trust me.
Girl, what the fuck even are you?
Good. Là, ça travaille pas du tout leur synergie, parce qu'ils sont trois, j'imagine. L'inondation.
This fucking rain is flooding our neighborhood. We need this water gone.
Ah, bah là, peut-être que Aquaboy aurait été cool. Il y a moyen qu'il soit prêt à temps. Déterminer la cause. Déterminer. Et il y a une histoire de vitesse, ok. Aquaboy, j'ai pas l'impression qu'il soit prêt à temps. Chier. Disons qu'on dit ça et ça. Déterminé, on n'est pas forcément bon. Ah si. Ah. On est comment sur vos points là les cocos? Toi t'as un point à mettre. On pourrait te up en intel. Toi t'as des points à mettre, mais franchement pour cette mission je vois pas trop l'intérêt. J'ai envie de vous envoyer comme ça. Ouais. Ok, ça se passe je pense. Il y a une sauvegarde, c'est ça le petit? Je sais même pas, j'ai jamais repéré. C'était quoi? Bord, un campage. Ok, sauver les civils piégés dans... Ah! Feu, Aquaboy! Alors, j'aurais bien envie les trois là. Ce qui ferait... Toi... toi, tu utilises quel que soit ton emplacement, ton pouvoir, cocotte? Je sais pas. Bon, disons qu'on te met en premier à tout hasard. Tac. Et tac. Parce que je veux qu'il y a Aquaboy. On est bon. J'ai envie de faire ça. J'espère qu'on voit pas trop de monde. Yes. Bon, par contre, essayez de vous dépêcher, quoi. Ah, il fallait Aquaboy. Fait chier. Donc, pour l'autre, il n'y a pas besoin d'Aquaboy. Alors, regardez si les bouches d'égout sont obstruées ou apportent des seaux. Regardez. On est chaud, hein?
You're my VIP.
Shit. You're mine too.
Ah oui, ça avait la synergie. J'ai eu de la chance.
The room's booked, yeah?
Yeah, confirmed it this morning. We're all good. Like we don't have enough fucking problems.
Whatever. See you all there.
Alors. Bon bah, il n'y avait rien de particulier. La mission. Ils sont en train de rentrer déjà. Il n'y a pas d'urgence. On est vachement bien cette fois-ci. Ils sont gentils, hein, parce qu'avec un en moins, tu pourrais te dire tiens. Oh. Atteindre tous les bonus et éviter tous les échecs. Ok.
Okay. Good shift, all things considered. See you tomorrow. Hopefully with some good news.
Très bonne journée. Waouh. Oh là là, les gars.
Damn, you want farther than I thought. What are y'all looking at?
You've got a little.
Oh. Cheers, lad. Good looking out.
Hello, everyone. What's going on?
What's it look like? This dumbass kicked that dumbass out the fucking door.
Okay, cool. Now that we got all of the details clear, why?
That's just a difference of opinion. I got heated, got in Golem's face. He had every right to punt me through the wall.
Right, it's a door, and I doubt you were actually in his face.
More like ankle, which made him easier to kick.
What the fuck is going on?
We want her out.
We basically took a board vote. That's why we're in the boardroom.
She shouldn't have done what she did. I think she should go, sir. Boss. Robert.
Who wants her to stay?
Just me. But the team is more important than any one of us, so I won't stand in the way.
You could have led with that.
I feel the same as Golem. You all let me back in when you didn't have to. But I won't make you keep someone you want gone.
We heard about the suspension bullshit. It ain't enough, Robert. Not for what she did. To put everything we've been building at risk, and for what? I like the bitch, but she gotta go.
And by go, we mean cut. Just like you cut Coop. No one here wants to say it's also her. But that's what it is. You've caught one of us already for far less. And why? To send a message to set a standard?
Look, I probably don't say this enough, but I'm proud of all of you. How far you've come. A few months ago, you wouldn't have been in a room like this discussing the needs of the Z team, and if you did, there'd be a lot more than one broken door. But I'm not cutting Invisigal. We don't kick people when they're down. We lift them up, and I believe of her what I believe of all of you, that her heart is in the right place. It's what took us from being a team to being this weird, fucked up family. Look, you're hurting. Okay, I get it. I'm hurting. We are all hurting. Now isn't the time to cast blame. It's the time to come together and heal. Dizzy? Sorry, I can come back.
Why? First time we met, you were in your underwear. Fitting, right? Last time you see me, that I'd be in mine? I really do appreciate you defending me, but you shouldn't. Listen to your team. They don't want me here.
This is probably hard for you to hear right now, but this isn't your fault. Look, you went in knowing the risks. What you were willing to put on the line to help me. What you didn't know was what Chase was willing to put on the line for you. And so please don't throw all of that away by walking away from this. From us.
They're right. I don't deserve anyone's forgiveness. Anyone's help, anyone's love. Because I can never repay it. Nothing I do will ever make up for what I've already done to you. I'd hoped getting the Astral Pulse back would help, but I couldn't even do that.
Vizzy, you don't owe anyone anything, okay? Least of all me.
I was there that night.
What are you saying?
I never ran with Cruz. Always did my own thing, but my asthma was getting worse, and they had an augment that could increase my lung capacity. Only catch is I'd have to work for them, paying down for years. Then one day Shroud came to me and said I could have the whole deck cleared if I was able to do one thing. Place a bomb on the back of Mecha Man undetected.
Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
I quit the moment I placed it. I walked out before it even blew. My augments conveniently stopped working. So I signed up for the Phoenix program the next day. Which gave me the chance to fuck your life up twice.
Ça veut dire quoi? C'est terminé.
You gonna say something?
Well, I forgive you. So there, will you fucking chill out now?
You can't fucking forgive me? You haven't even, like, processed what's going on.
You did villain shit while you were a villain. Does it change things when you directed it at me? No, it doesn't. That's in the past. You're not the same person that was there that night, neither am I.
That's sweet, but I feel numb.
Hey, stop making this feel like a goodbye. Okay, you're suspended. It's temporary. I'm not letting anyone cut you.
All I wanted from this was for you to look at me the same way you look at Blazer. Even if it was just once, you know? That'd have been enough.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Yes. You do.
Allez pas trop loin, hein. Attention. Ah, c'est bon.
Alright, well, you boys don't stay up too late.
Oh là là. Oh, j'ai pas changé le titre du stream comme un connard au début. Oh. Super. On va changer ça vite fait. Oh là là. Qui est mignon.
I mean, I hope they all die. I'm serious. Any dumbass walking into a trap that fucking stupid should have the plug pulled right now. Just pillows over faces.
Oh man, have you seen what the poison does to their faces? They get all red and puffy and...
Oh.
God damn. All right. Somebody's a little fucking patient.
I'm sorry. It's my fault. I've been distracting you.
Get me another drink. I smashed mine.
Sure. You all right? You seem perturbed.
Fuck. I know what's going on. Kid probably lost someone there. That's why he's been staring at that shit all night. Get him a drink on me.
Nah, this one's on me. Oh my.
Deep cover. If I only knew.
Cheers, fellas, to the fucking dream. To 5 minutes with the tightest ass in all of LA County. Can you motorboat an ass? Probably not, right? End up blowing air right up her butthole. What's up? You don't like asses? The fuck's up with this guy?
Hey, I'm great at predicting things, and I can't believe he let that go.
Okay, now I don't know what he's talking about.
Putain, c'est Mysterium ou je sais pas quoi.
Telling me what's going on.
Wow.
I respect her. Blazer. Real fucking superhero. I know we're in a villain bar, but have some class, you know? If you're gonna blow some fucker's brains out, non-slip mats are a must. Need some for the hideout. Feels silly calling it a hideout.
Merdouille.
Can you take care of him for me? Obviously, you two don't need an introduction.
With pleasure.
Oh yeah.
You. Your dad. Chase. Your little team of turncoats. You think you can beat the bad by being good. But there's no solving human nature. You can't stop evil. All you can do is control it.
I believe him, boss. If he had something to say, he would have said it by now.
I thought you wanted revenge. This was your father's gun. Kept it in his locker, fully loaded. 6 shots. He couldn't have predicted I'd use it to kill him. The first bullet grazed his shoulder. I hadn't adjusted to the adrenaline spike. The second hit his upper chest. The third burst his heart. He was lying on the floor, eyes full of fear, when I put the fourth through his face. Bit of a waste to put the fifth through that idiot's skull, but I wanted to make sure it worked after all these years. Your father was the last person to touch this bullet. And now, there's a 16.5% chance it touches you next. Your invisible girlfriend stole my astral pulse to give it to you. Where the fuck is it? Mega Man. Heroes are the past. With the pulse, I'll control this city and restore balance.
Gross.
This is why I hate luck. Runs out.
If I had it, why'd I let you string me up like a fucking piñata? She didn't get the pulse.
You actually believe that? Show him. Invisibitch has the pulse. That I know. What I don't know is why she didn't give it to you. She played you too. Here I am thinking she's working with you, but she's fucking us both. She didn't take it for you. She took it for herself. It's okay. She fooled me too.
Oh. Ça va chier là.
The blonde blazer. I fired the bartender, but I can still get you something to drink.
No, thank you.
And to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm here for him. In 5 minutes, this bar will be surrounded by SDN agents, heroes, and whoever else you and your ring have pissed off recently, which happens to be every gang in Los Angeles. Now, if—
Okay, Mom!
She's fucking bluffing.
Sorry about that. If they weren't shit, you wouldn't have cut them. You were saying?
I can see I'm outnumbered. That eventually I would fall. But by my read, I'm taking a lot of you with me. So all of you can leave now. Or half of you can die here.
Now that's a fucking superhero. Chills. Top notch. You made them nervous. Okay, we're out of here. Take your piss-soaked pants out the back, please. Don't want to tempt this tiger. Now's not our time, Blazer. But it's coming sooner than you think. Oh. And by my calculations, it was closer to 32%. But half sounds better.
You saved me. Again.
Yeah. You should really sign up for this SDN service I keep hearing about. Don't worry. I've got you. She cut you pretty bad. Are you sure he's right about Invisigo?
Yeah. I saw the footage.
What is her play? Why wouldn't she tell you if she has it? I don't understand what she would want it for unless she's trying to keep you out of the suit.
What matters is I trust her.
I think you're more optimistic than I am.
Elle a son plan, mais je pense que
You're probably right.
c'est pour dans un bon fond qu'elle fait ça, je pense.
Just need to sit here for like a few weeks, and I'll be right as rain.
Take your time. I don't know how you're conscious.
See, when the pain's constant, it's easier to get used to. That goes for physical and emotional. Ow. Really is nice up here. Thank you. Don't remember if I've thanked you before, but
About 50 times. You were muttering it the whole flight.
then I take it back.
You should know I was going to take you to the actual Hollywood sign. Not as sturdy as you.
Eh merde. Oh là là. Oh là là, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Oh, popo.
Hey. You're not leaving me here again.
T'as dit quoi? Ça. Mute. Bon bah. S'il y a personne. On va continuer sur notre lancée, je crois. Continuer. On va enchaîner avec l'épisode 8, je crois. Ok. Fait mieux que 1% des joueurs. Ah. Ok, ok. Et des fois, il n'y a pas... Enfin... Mission parfaite, j'ai raté un Aquaboy et il y avait de l'indice en effet, mais des fois... Savoir lequel va être parfait pour la mission, c'est pas évident.